guys, so I'm finally back with a K-pop tutorial. This look was inspired by Jisoo from BLACKPINK and their latest music video, 뚜두뚜두. I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so first off, we're going to start with foundation, and this is a pretty basic routine, and you can adjust this to whatever routine you have. Here I'm just using a beauty blender to just kind of smooth out everything because I don't really like my foundation packed on. Next, we're going to go into concealer because I have pretty dark bags under my eyes, so I'm going to try and lighten that up a little bit. And for some reason, I don't have pink eyeshadow, so I'm just going to use a pink blush that I have, and I'm just going to use that as a base. And then using a little fluffy brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. What I love about this look is that it's so minimal. You only literally need like one shade, and just throw in some glitter and you have a gorgeous look. Next, just taking this glittery pink shade, I'm just going to put that on top of my pink eyeshadow base. And I'm also going to put some underneath my eye as well, just to add a little sparkle. Now going in with this very pale pink shade, I'm going to use that as a transition color. I know that some people like to start with the transition color first, but I like to use it last. And now I'm just going to add a little bit more glitter. This is from Stila. This is their eyeshadow gloss. And I'm just going to apply that on my lid and underneath my eye. Now from the same palette, I'm just going to take a dark purple shade, and I'm just going to use that as a liner. I've been straying away from liquid liners just because I feel like they're a little bit too harsh looking, so I tend to use eyeshadow. And I'm just going to create a wing on the outer portion of my eyes. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes and then add some mascara. Now for my favorite part, the highlights. I'm just going to highlight my typical areas, which is the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and also under the brow as well. Next, taking my favorite loose powder, this is from Pony Effect. I'm just going to lightly dust that all over my face to get rid of any oily areas. I know that some people like to apply this before highlight, but I find that it works a lot better for me when I apply after. And lastly, I'm going to go in with lipstick. This is a very peachy shade, and it's actually one of my favorites. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on and use my finger to kind of blend it out. And here is the final look. Super simple, super easy, anybody can do it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more. And leave a comment down below telling me what you want to see next. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!